All right, big breaking news. Let's in fact shift our focus to that, because we're getting to know that as per sources, Swati Maliwal, who is the Aam Aadmi Party leader and Member of Parliament from Rajya Sabha, she was also the former Delhi Commission for Women chairperson, has alleged that she was assaulted at Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence when she came to visit him. She has accused the close aide of Arvind Kejriwal, Bibhav Kumar, of assaulting her. Sources say that a PCR call was made at around 10 a.m. from Chief Minister's residence by Swati Maliwal. Shubh, give us details now. Tell us what exactly happened. What time did Swati Maliwal go to Arvind Kejriwal's residence? And what was the reason of her visit? I think it's quite apparent after Arvind Kejriwal got out of jail, it may have been a courtesy call by the Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament. But what happened that she has come up and accused the close aide of Arvind Kejriwal of attacking her?
Yes, definitely, Megha, because this is a big question. Because Swati Maliwal was former associated with Women's Wing, and now when she have filed a complaint, although it is all running on sources, because we have been personally trying to call Swati Maliwal, but she have not been answering the calls. But as per as the sources, she was there to meet Arvind Kejriwal because since he was out from the jail, and today there was also a big meeting which was scheduled at CM residence, which says that now today CM has to meet all the Parshad, but the meeting has been cancelled when we have, when we have called the CM residence. But according to the latest sources, they have been claiming that around 10 a.m. Swati Maliwal have called PCR and, she have complained against Bibhav Kumar. Bibhav Kumar is Arvind Kejriwal PA and have been associated with him since more than 5 years. Bibhav have been closely working with the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, and Swati Maliwal have called the PCR as per as the sources. Although no written complaint has been filed by Swati Maliwal, Megha, but since Arvind Kejriwal was out from the jail, so therefore Swati Maliwal was there to, to just meet him and, just to interact him.
Right.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.